Let's unbox my gentle monster. Thanks Ate Jo for bringing. And there it goes. Here it is. Let's do the unboxing. So, after saving, I got my original gentle monster. Here it is with warranty card all here. Let's open. Here, warranty card is inside. Okay. Let's open the shades itself. Okay. Tan-da-da-dan. Here na. Let's see. They say yan, it used, you know if it's original. It's engraved here. Hindi siya clear. Here. Let's open slowly. Baka mabasag. Di ko pa nagamit. There. May plastic pa all. Here. Another one. Cento. Thanks Ate Jo for bringing this one. Tagal ko rin siya inantay. I'll remove the plastic later. Yan. You know if it's original. Andyan, engraved siya. Engraved siya dyan. It's written her. Liit lang. Kumukuha. Her. Yan. Now, let's check. Bagay ba? Finally, I got my Her Gentle Monster Her01. Nag-ipunan ng wagas. Ito pa pala. Dito sa warranty card niya. At authentic siya yan. And may velvet siya na casing siya to be for protection. Yan.